Hello everyone, this is Marcia. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this week's project. Hope you all are doing well. We're going to do a simple project. Those are my famous last words. A simple project. This should be quick. Got everything laid out I think that I need. I've already gone ahead and strung my beads. And we're going to do a bracelet. Isn't that pretty? A couple videos back, trying to think, I did the black. I think it was the black tourmalated beaded necklace. I used some of the beads that came with these. They were on an Apple watch band, and these were on that same, it was a 3-strand, and these were on that watch band. These bars is what I'm talking about, these bars. These were on a wrap bracelet that I had on standby for that that one necklace we restrung, the silver and turquoise colored necklace. But these are halides and I did not use them. I kept it pure, just using the turquoise and the silver beads on that necklace. I have these cute little, like, twisted, I don't know if you could call them rope, but they're twisted little spacer beads. They came with bead caps. I don't really consider that a bead cap. I guess you could put it on top of a bead, just like that. But anyway, so I'm supplying those, and of course the findings, the wire. I'm using the 49 strand in bright. This also comes in a 7-strand, and it probably is, what's that middle? 19. Probably comes in that too. I don't have that. But they're the same color. You could probably use the 7 for this, because this is very lightweight, but I did use the 49. I've got the Beadalon Wire Guardians. And I don't get any money from Beadalon. I just like the products. I just started using them and I stay with them because I like the quality. But that's these here, the Wire Guardians. And we have a clasp, one I picked up at a bead shop somewhere. I don't remember exactly when. We have, now these were the ones I got off of Amazon. I do not remember the name of the company, and I really don't recommend them, but these keep breaking on me. But we're gonna try it one more time. Maybe it's the bead that keeps breaking on me, but anyway, we have the tube today, and we're gonna have the tube crimp tubes, and we'll have the crimp covers that we'll put on to finish it off. So like I said, I've already cut the wire for this bracelet, and I cut 9 inches, right around 9 inches. You know, you can cut more if you're not comfortable working with a small end. You know, it's preference. So I'm going to start this. I'm going to put that little spring down, the stopper down at one end, so I'll have room to start. We're going to go ahead and start by putting one of those. Now this is what I do all the time. I gotta stop that. Last time it was a jump ring. I finally found it. Okay, okay. We're going to put the crimp tube on the wire. Then we're going to put one of our Wire Guardian on by passing up. I gotta trim this. This is kind of frayed on the end. Just take a tiny bit off so it's not fighting me. Okay, there we go. So up one side, down the other. And anyone not familiar with a Wire Guardian, it's a U-shaped finding that has 2 tubes and a channel that you run your wire through, and your wire needs to sit in that channel. And now we want to put one end, unless I use jump rings. I could use jump rings. It's not going in. I could use a jump ring in here and attach a jumper and attach it to this, but let's see how, which is exactly what I'm going to do, because it would sit like this otherwise, and I want it to sit like this. Okay, let me get a jump ring. Oh, I hope it's not going to be too long. I have a small wrist. Okay, so we're going to carefully pick that back up. Come on now. Put the jump ring in there. And this will be like this, so this will be laying flat. It'll be laying with, same as the wire guardian, as opposed to opposite. Alrighty, so let's put that wire down. I might pull a little bit more of that, because I think I'll have plenty on that end. So, alrighty, got that. And now let's crimp this. My favorite thing to do. And if you've watched my videos, you know I'm not being truthful. I'm being sarcastic. Alrighty, so make sure that the wires aren't crossed. And the wire is in that channel. There we go. Okay. And then we're going to use the back end of the crimping pliers, and then we move to the front and we change directions. I don't think that, I'm going to get my other ones because I think these might be larger and I need a tighter grip. Yeah, I think this has a larger, this is for a larger crimp. Should not have brought them over, so let me see if I can close this up a little better. Nope. I have the worst time with these crimps. I don't like these crimps. Okay, let's start again. I'll have to get another crimp. Put that on. Put the wire guardian. Don't do that. Gotta go down the other side. We'll put that jump ring on. And we're going to run this back down the crimp tube. You know, I might just smash it rather than try to fold it and round it out. I'll try one more time. Maybe because I started with that other. I have to remember, use the blue, use the blue. Okay, so we're going to smash it like that. I'm not actually smashing it. I'm putting like a divot. It's becoming like a U shape. And then I get back reposition the pliers to the side of it, and then close it up. And please stay. Yay! It's probably because I started with these. You know, you start good, you finish good. Alrighty, so let's go. I'm gonna Let me trim just a tad bit of that off. There's not going to be any play, we'll be okay. Let me do a little bit more, just in case. I don't want it to poke out of that bead. We'll contain it all in this one bead. Yep, it's not poking out, so we are good. So let me go ahead and put this on. This is how they recommend you to do it. I have very little luck, so, but we'll try again. We'll see. Get that out of the way. Put this, oh, no, see, put this over. There, it's down inside. Get the ring out of my, you know, I could have put that jump ring on afterwards. It's a split ring. It's not closed up, so if it were closed, you would definitely have to put it on. There we go. It takes a little while to close that up, because you want to take your time, or else you'll distort it. I need a little bit more. You get a better grip on these things. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to close that up a little bit. Go to the other side. Let's make sure that wire is down inside that bead. I just think these are so neat. They're so sparkly. All right, let's go to the other side, and I can add that after the fact. Let's go ahead. Oh, I need to get another crimp tube. Okay, be right back. Okay, we got the tube, crimp tube, and let's do up this other end. I need to trim that. Is this the one? That's the bad one. Let's not mistake it. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put that tube on. Wire Guardian. My goodness! I don't normally have problems with these. Having trouble going up the one side. It's like it's closed up. I see the opening. It doesn't want to go in there. Okay, we can do this. Open this up just a little bit. Here we go. And then we're going to go down the other side. Maybe I should have cut 10 inches. And this is what I'm talking about. You don't want to cut yourself short. You know, it's better to throw away a little bit of this wire than to go crazy trying to work with a small piece. Okay, now before I go any further, yep, I'm going to need a jump ring on this side too, but I'm going to wait until I get it all put together, and then we'll put the clasp on. Don't need the jump ring right now. All right. Gotta go back down that crimp tube. There we go. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead, if I can, I'm going to leave a little, just a little play in there. I think we'll I think will be good. Alrighty. Let's go ahead, use the second notch, the one back here. Make sure I'm on there. Got that little U shape, and then we'll turn it on its side and close it up. And that's not going anywhere. That's good. Then I can trim that. Let me see if these will work. Sometimes the scissors are hard to get in. I wonder if you go down another one. Now, I'm not gonna fight with it. I'm tired of fighting with these things. So I'm just going to try to nip it. Nothing seems to want to cut that wire, but it did. That did. Just had to get the sweet spot. So that's that. Let me open. Let me find the slit. Open that up. Put this end on. Close it up. Oh, I didn't put my, wait a minute. I'm not done at this end, the one we just did. Need to put this on. Then we can move on. Okay. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Come on. It's in there. I think that's good. Get a ring. Open that up. Put the other part of the toggle clasp on it, on the bracelet, on the ring, and then attach it to the bracelet. And we're done. I hope it fits. I think it's going to be a little big, but I don't know. I don't know what I could have left out. You know, these are what they are, and you have to have balance. Man, my darn balance. It's a little bigger than what I would normally wear, but you know what? I may not be wearing it. I might give it to someone else. But anyway, we're done. I think that was not bad. I usually struggle with these things a little more, but not bad. Not bad today. Like these little beads. Just the perfect little accent to, you know, white blouse and a pair of jeans. So, alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this channel. Let me know if you haven't viewed the channel before, and if you have and you have any thoughts on this bracelet, let me know that too. So until next week, or until that next project anyway, y'all take care, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.